Introducing Digital Factory 12, the next evolution in specialty print production. Color that sells. Future-ready workflows that scale. State-of-the-art fiery color technology is now available in Digital Factory 12. With the Fiery Color Profiler add-on, you can create precise, production-ready output with confidence. Need richer color without overblown results? A brand new rendering intent boosts saturation without sacrificing skin tones or detail. Perfect for heat transfers, apparel, and more. Layout, preview, and print, all in one place. With Digital Factory 12's Gang Sheet Builder, laying out jobs is faster than ever. Upload a folder or drop in individual files. Everything aligns automatically. Enable sheet labels, preview layouts in real time, and close pages directly in the queue. No extra tools, no extra steps. It's all built right in. Digital Factory 12 introduces vastly improved spot color support, including the latest Pantone libraries and a new, easier-to-use interface for managing color tables. And as new and major printers hit the market, Digital Factory 12 will continue to expand its support, with profiles created using our latest profiling technology, powered by Fiery Edge. That means you'll benefit from our newest color and performance innovations simply by adding one of these supported printers. From precise layout control to next-gen color management and expanded spot color support, Digital Factory 12 delivers the workflow upgrades your business needs, whether you're scaling up or just starting out. Smarter color, simpler production. Digital Factory 12 is here, and it's built to grow with you. To learn more, visit fiery.com/df12.